Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 20. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller has arrived in China to begin her 5-day official visit to deepen relations with that country. The Prime Minister received a warm reception on her arrival at the Beijing International Airport. She was greeted by the Assistant to China's Foreign Minister Zhang Zhiguang, Chinese Ambassador to Jamaica Zhang Xingdian, and Jamaican Ambassador to China Ralph Thomas, along with other officials. Beginning August 21, Mrs. Simpson-Miller is slated to meet with the Chinese President and Premier, as well as business interests and the China-Jamaica Friendship Society. The visit is the Prime Minister's first official visit to China and follows bilateral talks held in Trinidad in June this year. Children under 12 years, students in uniform, disabled persons and pensioners will not pay more for bus fares when new JUTC rates take effect on August 25. Transport Minister Dr. Omar Davies announced Monday that concessionary fares for travelling on Jamaica Urban Transit Company buses will not move from $20.
A cashless system is being introduced whereby all commuters who wish to qualify for concessionary fares must purchase the electronic smart cards through designated outlets. Details on the introduction and operation of the smart card system will be provided.
However, until the cashless system comes on stream, those who pay $20 can continue to pay in cash. Meanwhile, effective this Sunday, adult commuters will have to pay 25% more on JUTC and private buses, bringing the fare to $100. And as of September 1, the JUTC will roll out another 100 buses daily to properly service its routes. The increase will move the JUTC's operational fleet of buses to 350.
This increase will be facilitated by bringing into operation new buses which are already in the island, as well as those which are currently being repaired with spare parts which have recently arrived in the island.
Through a bus rehabilitation program between JUTC and Heart Trust NTA, the daily turnout of buses is expected to increase to 400. Chairman of the JUTC, Reverend Garnet Roper, says the increase in JUTC's fleet and the increase in bus fares are expected to boost the company's revenue from about $7 million to $10 million daily. In the meantime, the bus company will be implementing a park and ride system in September to boost the number of commuters and improve its efficiency.
To use a bus and park will be cheaper to a motorist than if they simply pay the toll. Forget about fuel, forget about brakes, and so on. So that gives you a measure of the qualitative difference that the JUTC hopes to make, certainly in the life of the people of Portmore.
A contingent of athletes and officials who represented Jamaica at the 2013 World Championships in Moscow, Russia, have returned home. While most of the athletes have gone to other meets in Europe, several landed at the Norman Manley International Airport Monday along with the team officials. They were greeted by the Minister with responsibility for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, who praised the country's overall third-place standings on the championships table.
A little country, under 3 million persons, got as many gold medals as the great United States of America. There was only one medal less than the country which topped the table. So I believe that we did exceptionally well and we have a lot to be proud of.
Team manager Trevor Campbell said it was not easy, but they pulled it off with teamwork. Meanwhile, technical leader Maurice Wilson said Jamaica's dominance in the sprints showed that we were moving in the right direction, but cautioned that there was still much work to be done.
As we move forward, we have to understand that this is a cycle. And we were complaining about our quarter milers, and we have seen where they have made major improvement. There are other non-traditional areas that we are not strong in, that we hope to improve on in the future. But as we move forward, support is of great importance.
Javon Francis, who ran that brilliant ankle leg to secure Jamaica's silver medal in the 4x400 relays, spoke on behalf of the athletes.
I am young still, but I'm going to train hard to try and get the 400 gold medal. And I want to big up my friends and the 4x4. Thank you.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.